Hi all, I'm Aishwarya from AADS department, Vellalar Engineering College. In this session, we can going to see about intelligent agents. Okay, now we move on to a topic: intelligent agent. Intelligent agent is who sense and act upon an environment with the help of previous state knowledge and interaction with the current situation and fulfill the responsibility and achieve goal. There are five types of intelligent agent. They are simple reflex agent, model based reflex agent, goal based agent, utility based agent, and learning agent. Now we see about first type, simple reflex agent. Agents take decision on the basis of the current percept and ignore the rest of the percept history. This type of agent is based on the condition action rule or if then rule. If the condition is true, action is taken, else not. Environment should be fully observable. Here in this diagram, the agent senses the environment. It perceives the current room temperature. If the temperature is higher than 30 degrees Celsius, the air conditioner is turned on. Otherwise, it tells off. The second type is model based reflex agent. It is the expansion of simple reflex. In the model based reflex agent, it refers to the knowledge base, and knowledge is created through history. It works as a decision making. It is partially environmentable. That is, agent doesn't have complete knowledge of the environment. If we consider a situation, sometimes there is no history. Agents store the knowledge and then learn. In this diagram, it will first sense from the environment. It will analyze the current state of the environment. Current state is stored in state, which is called as internal memory. And after analyze the past history, according to history, we perform some actions. Finally, these actions are sent to current state. Analyzing current state and history action, we make final actions according to the condition action rules. The third type is goal-based agent. It is the expansion of model-based reflex agent. It is based on desirable situation. Here we should focus and achieve our goal. Sensor senses something from environment. It analyzes current situation and save it in state, and then analyze the past event and perform action. Here the goal is where you want to reach. Goal is also when you know the input as well as the output. Let's we see an example. Traveling to Ooty on a bike. We know that output is our destination. If we start from Coimbatore, we know the current situation as well as the destination. To reach the goal state, we do searching the best route to achieve the goal. If has many solution, we must choose the best solution to achieve the goal. The fourth type is utility based agent. Here these are similar to goal based agent, but it provide an extra component called utility. Utility means it measure happy state or unhappy state. If we see an example, GPS system. We are traveling to somewhere from source to destination. GPS shows 2 or 3 ways. By default, we choose shortest path. Now user are in happy state because we reach the destination in earlier time. Suppose if there is an accident, it leads to traffic jam. Now user is in unhappy state. The agent take another action to reach the destination, so that the user comes to happy state, using the shortest path to make the user happy. And the fifth type is learning agent. It can learn from past experiences and improve its quality and performance. There are 4 components in learning agent: learning elements, critic, performance element, performance generator. In this diagram, the learning element is responsible for learning and making improvement based on the experience it gains from environment. In critic, it provides feedback to the learning element based on agent performance standard. It can modify it. And in performance element, it is responsible for selecting external action. Any updates may change based on the information from learning element and critic. and the law is the problem generator. It is responsible for suggest new actions that will lead new experiment.